just like Tim. My little bad and she got just like Kim. Always throwing shots at me, but never hit the rim. I need all my pockets fat as fuck and all my bitches slim. All my honey's blue. I'm all a bit.
This is my exhaust setup right now. Rear mufflers and mid mufflers are deleted. I still got cats, but we finna take the cats off today. But I gotta get y'all the before and after, man. So this is the before. This is how it sound with the cats on straight pipe. I hadn't washed my car since I came back from Vegas, so that's, look at my headlight, bro. Hold on, we finna write something right here. Hold on. SRTJD on the back seat of SRTJD right there, man. But yeah, I know what it is. After we put the mid pipes on today, we are gonna wash this car. So YouTube, like I said, man, we are gonna wash this car. I haven't been posting videos because I've been sick, man, but we are doing a whole lot better. You know what I'm saying? So that's good news. But yeah, man, I'm super excited. I know when I put these Catless mid pipes on, it's gonna throw a check engine light, but we are getting the Scat verbal tune, not today, but we are getting the verbal tune in the future. So I won't have the engine light for too long. Yeah, man, I'm finna go pick up the pipes from my boy Chris, and I cut the camera back on once I get there, and we picking up the pipes, man. All right, YouTube, I don't know what did happen over here, but I'm pulling my camera out to show y'all. Oh, they had a wreck. Well, that sucks. And they got police over here. What's going on today, man? Come on, man. What's up with these people wrecking today? They ain't got no bump on their car. Man, y'all gotta lock in, man. Make sure y'all stay safe on the roads, man. Y'all see these people cannot drive out here. Y'all see we got the mid pipes right here, man. We putting these on today, hopefully. So I see my boy got the cat jacked up. I ain't even know you had carbon fiber back here. This man just had his whole bumper off. Oh yeah, I see what you mean, yeah. That's hard. All right, man, we picked up the mid pipes. I want to show y'all this TRX though. Hard. Hard though. Yeah, I know the routine. So look, man, we under the car. These are the pipes that we taking off. These right here. They're actually super hot right now. And y'all see the cats. But as y'all see, my car's so low, I be scraping my mid pipes on accident. It's crazy, man. But I'm trying to let it cool down, but we finna unscrew these screws and go and drop these pipes, man. So as y'all see, my baby is steaming, man. I don't know if y'all can see it. So we sprayed WD-40 on the screws, but it's so hot that it's just, you see it, it's almost boiling the WD-40, man. So I'm finna re-soak it again. I need to wash this car, bro. This is terrible. All right, YouTube, I want y'all to see how hot these things is for real. Look at that, man. That is like so hot, bro. Sheesh. Hit this one more time. See, this one ain't that hot. The cats though, where the cats at up here, that is crazy. These ain't that bad though. We're gonna start with these actually. I'm gonna get this about 20 minutes to cool down first though. Got this side off, getting this side. Just that easy, man. So YouTube, we got the Catless mids off. I mean, nah, these ain't the Catless mids, my bad. These are the factory exhausts with the cats on them. So we got it off. It really was a pain to get these screws out of here, but we got them. So install should be easier. You know what I'm saying? See the exhaust. We finna replace these with Catless mids, man. Car finna be so loud, y'all. Can't wait. But hey, if you do cut your cats, man, make sure y'all keep y'all cats just in case you have to put them back on. Hey, if y'all got one of these, I would advise y'all to do this. So these are the screws that was holding the mid pipes on the car. And what I'm doing is spraying WD-40 on it a little bit. Well, actually I'm out of WD-40, but making sure that the screw can go up and down in the bracket. It'll make putting them back on easier. So y'all see we got the Catless mid up here, but this screw is not long enough. So I gotta go to the hardware store real quick and buy longer screws so that this can fit in the hole, man. Let's go. I need a ride to the store, man. I'm trying to hitchhike out here. That's how you do it, man. When you need to go get some parts for your mopar, you get Chevy niggas to do it. We outside. All right, man, y'all see we in the...
Excuse me, can I help you?
Shut your stupid...
Hey, man, I had to get this truck on the vlog for y'all. He got 26s on here, bro. Turbo diesel. Man, this truck's so hard. Whiteout. This is probably one of the hardest trucks I done seen in person, like in my whole life, bro. Like, this truck go crazy, man. Hey, man, stay tuned, man. Hey, this is why y'all gotta like, comment, and subscribe so I can bring something like this to the channel so I can tow my Hellcat, tow my Scat, you feel me? Y'all gotta like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all see Monster. That's hard. All right, YouTube, y'all see we got the mid pipe in here, but it's sitting on the heat shield, man, so I don't know if we're gonna leave it like that or what, but all right, YouTube, man, so y'all see we got the mufflers gone, the mid mufflers right here, they gone, and now finally the cats gone. So we fully straight pipe. Y'all see we got the cats right here, finally done, man. We had some hiccups and stuff, but you know, got my hands dirty, you know, but I'm just happy we done. So I'm finna let it down, man, let y'all hear the startup, and then hopefully I can get y'all some driving footage of the car so y'all can really hear what the exhaust sound like without the cats, bro. I'm super happy, bro. All right, YouTube, so this the moment that we've been waiting for. Hey, go on, crank it, bro. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, rev it, bro. Oh yeah. My baby sound how it's supposed to sound now.
Got him. We fucking got him.
This only the start. Look, this only the start, man. It get better than this. It get louder than this. I had to stop and get gas, YouTube, because I know I'm about to go crazy, bro. This car is so loud. Like, I just drove it up here to the gas station, bro. It's OD loud. But hey, go big or go home, man. Y'all see my dog getting the footage for me, though. Hold on. This car is so loud, bro. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's what we needed. That's what we needed right there, y'all. Catless 392, man. Hey, this ain't no regular 392. You don't want no smoke. You don't want no smoke, bro. Bro, this car is so loud, bro. Like another thing too, YouTube, people said that the Catless mids will throw a check engine light, but I've been driving it for about 15-20 minutes, man, and I have got no check engine. So hopefully it stay off. But like I said, I am getting a tune, so even if it do come back on, it don't matter. Like I said, I do want it to stay off though, you know what I'm saying? Because I like the remote start my car and all that. But hey, man, this car is extremely loud, bro. Like, it's so loud, y'all. Like, my Mustang GT was Catless. That was the first muscle car I ever had. It was straight pipe just like this. No cats, no mufflers, no resonators. But I don't even think my Mustang was as loud as how this car is when I hit it. The Mustang, it was louder on idle, but when I hit the gas on this car right now, like, it's OD. Like, you can probably hear this car blocks away. The car was loud before this. So, like, imagine right now is crazy. But one bad thing about it, it do stink. Like, I smell it for sure. I smell the gas, I smell the exhaust. That's a negative, but the sound, the feel, I don't know if it made it faster, but like, it feel better. Maybe because it's loud, I don't know, but definitely 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Stay tuned for my next videos, man. I'm gonna do a Catless Scatpack POV drive, so y'all can really hear how loud this car is everywhere, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, this is coming up to the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, keep God first, chase y'all dreams. Thank y'all for watching me, man. SRTJD out.
Already knowing that I'm him. Ball on just like Tim. My little bad as she got just like Kim. Always throwing shots at me but never hit the rim. I need all my pockets fat as fucking all my slim. All my honey is blue. I'm off.